Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will understand how to share the project information in the other ways. You can choose from several methods for sharing a project file with the others like the executive team or the team members who perform the work. You can email a project file as an attachment or create a picture of your project to include in the presentations. Project files can become linked or embedded objects when you copy and paste from the project to the another program. If your organization uses the SharePoint, you can sync the project tasks with the SharePoint task list. If you want to email a file to the others who have the Microsoft project, go to the File tab and click on Share and click Email here and click Send as an attachment. So here we have the option. When you do that, project goes to your email program. It attaches your project file to the message and you can send it as you would any other. If you have the SharePoint, click the Sync with the SharePoint here. That way you can share the tasks with your team and get the updates from them. You can also copy a picture of your project. You can use that to distribute the information to insert it in other files like PowerPoint. To do that, go back to the ribbon and first make sure the view is what you want. First make sure that the view is what you want. For example, we have a Gantt chart view here and that's fine, but you have to make sure you can see all the columns in the table that you want to see. So drag the divider if you have to. Partial columns won't show up in the picture and make sure the time scale is what you want as well. So for example, we'll go to the View tab and choose here the weeks and then maybe scroll to show the taskbar in the Task tab. Now go to the Task tab here and click on the down arrow and say Copy Picture. The first thing you can do in the Copy Picture dialog box is select the destination for this image. If it's going to go to the screen, leave for the screen option. If it's going to be printed, select for the printer option. And if you want to create an image file, select to the GIF image file. Then you can select the folder. You can also choose how many rows appear in the image. For example, rows on the screen will show just these rows. But if you select the rows before you copy the picture, you can choose the selected rows option. In this case, as shown on the screen will show the time scale as it is on the screen, but if you want to set the from and to dates, you can do that. When the picture is the way you want, you can click on OK and the project copies the picture to the clipboard. Now you can just jump over to your other program and paste where you want it to be pasted. Say I want it to be pasted on the PowerPoint 2013. See, I'll choose the blank layout since I want to paste the data. You can choose any layout you want and paste it right here. You can adjust the width and the height of the picture as you require. Now Project offers several ways to share your project information with the others. Explore the different methods that work in your environment. Before long, you shall know which way is the best for sharing in any situation. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.